Hey guys, welcome back to Marytown. I think we're up to population 132. Anywho, I thought I would just come on here and show you what I've been up to here lately. I've just been fooling around with some of these leaves that I found in my backyard. Got a big old oak tree back there. And I've just been experimenting with a few different things to see what would happen. So I'll show you, if I can remember, what I put on each of these, and then we'll try doing a couple of them in real time. Okay, this one, well, I think I don't remember exactly, but I know the sparkle is just gold stickles along the veins, and I believe that copper is the Tim Holtz distress stain in bronze, I think. Let's see. Okay, one of the effects I really liked, this leaf got really messed up, but this is the copper embossing powder. So I just, I hope you can see this, squished the leaf onto the Versamark and used the Recollections copper on that one. And then a very similar color, if I can find it. Yeah, this is, I tried LA Colors 4, 5, 6. So it came out really similar to the copper embossing powder. And okay, the glittery one, this is the glittery Recollections gold. It's called clear gold. And I did one in the regular gold, just called gold. Okay, I don't see that one right now. But anyway, let's just go ahead and try another one. It's some of these things, like I tried just distress stain in bundled sage, and that hardly did anything. A couple of these leaves, obviously most of the real dry ones I just picked up off the ground, but these I picked off the tree, and they're a little easier to work with and a little less fragile because they're, you know, still have more moisture in them. But anyway, let's see, something I haven't tried yet. Let's try the distress paint in, what is this? Vintage Photo. These are so old. That might be affecting how they're coming out. Okay, I had a coffee lid. Where did you go? Well, that I was putting underneath it, but anyway. Are we still in frame here? Okay. Sorry about the light. It's actually early morning, and probably should have waited till a little bit later in the day, but I hope you can see this. Okay, here we go. Let's try this with some Vintage Photo Distress Paint. If it even comes out of the bottle. Okay, well, like I say, these are really, really old. Okay, so much for that one. Okay, let's try some distress stain in antique bronze. Okay, at least it's coming out of the bottle. Okay, sorry about the loud noise when I hit it with my gun real quick. go. That's how the vintage bronze distress stain comes out. Let's try some stickles on it. Can you still, let's see. Oh, get the idea there. Well, I'm gonna, continue trying this with a few other things. Yeah, you might just want to go out in your backyard and maybe you have some ideas of, different things that you can try, and also ideas of what to do with these once they're done. They're, too fragile to use in like a paper project, but I suppose you could just use them as decor, table decor, or on your tier trays next to your little fall display items and what have you. But anyway, thanks so much for stopping by, and we'll see you again soon. Have a blessed day, guys.